who is speaking?
So I am sending lot many things to you. Are you in position to look at that?
Who is speaking?
Are you looking at my videos and my communications, or you are not in position, or you are busy somewhere else?
I normally see my
Huh?
messages. I normally see my messages.
Haven't you seen any of my video?
Whose
Yes or no?
video? Whose video?
I keep on sending to you.
I won't see. If it's WhatsApp, I don't see much.
No, it's not on WhatsApp. It's on Aratai.
I see. Altai also I don't use.
Huh?
Altai also I don't use.
No, but you are on Aratai.
Yeah, I just wanted to see how it is, but I don't use it.
Why don't you use it? What are you doing nowadays?
I'm trying to do some software development. I know who's speaking.
Mathili Saran Gupta, your batchmate in MTech. Huh? You have forgotten
Oh my
me.
goodness.
Huh?
What a surprise call. No.
You have forgotten me.
No, I didn't forget you. The only thing is I'm feeling it myself.
Then how can you forget me? Huh?
No, I don't forget. I don't forget my old friends.
Huh?
I don't forget my old friends.
Okay. So
So how is everything? How are you?
I am absolutely fine. First of all, I would like to wish you very, very happy Deepavali to you.
Oh, same to you. Very, very happy Diwali to everyone
And
at home.
secondly, I would like to say that you should, whether you want a great India, good India.
Yeah, definitely. I am very patriotic.
Do you want a India in which each and every citizen of the country should have the right of
Yes.
employment, and that employment would be of your potential?
Right. That's very. In fact, I have been seriously thinking on those lines for a long time, but without much of no bright ideas coming up.
Okay. Secondly, you will get education to
Yeah.
realize your potential of employment.
Okay.
So you will not be getting your BTech, MTech, whatever rubbish you have read so far.
Yeah, I understand. In fact, I'm going to spend my almost